Alright mga ka-skywatchers and mga ka-spacers, magandang gabi po. It's 6:30 na po ng gabi, do medyo maliwanag pa yung kalawakan. And today is June 18, 2026. So it's a Thursday evening, early evening. And we will be observing the moon. Nandiyan na po yung buwan. Ayan po, it's thin crescent. Waxing crescent moon. And ito po yung telescope na gagamitin natin. This is my Meade reflecting telescope. Ayan po yung kanyang specs model 05-115 or 08-115. Ayan po, no? Alright. Okay, so ito po yung gagamitin natin na telescope for our moon viewing tonight. So this telescope is mounted on an equatorial mount and with the aluminum tripod. Okay, so we'll be observing the moon in a few minutes. Kakabitan ko lang po siya ng NextYZ cellphone adapter. So before we continue, please like and share this video para makarating pa sa maraming tao, and don't forget to follow us on our Facebook and TikTok, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. Hang on. Alright mga ka-Skywatchers, so ito na po, I attach my Celestron NextYZ cellphone adapter. Yan sa ating eyepiece, naka 15mm eyepiece po tayo. And let's observe the moon. All right, here we go. Alright mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-spacers, so this is our moon tonight. Today is June 18, 2026. It's a Thursday early evening, and our telescope is pointed at the waxing crescent moon. Kahapon, June 17, the moon was 7% to 8% illuminated. Siguro mga 12 na ito. Alright, so yeah, we can see now more craters dun sa lunar surface niya. And ang ganda po talaga ng buwan ngayon, no? So crescent, so para siyang bangka, no? Or parang kinagat na cookie. Alright mga ka-Skywatchers, so please comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging tonight. And again, today is June 18 at sinasamantala po natin ang clear skies kasi alam niyo naman pag June, di ba? Habagat season na yan. Pag-asa has already declared the habagat season, and tag-ulan na po. And buti na lang hindi masyadong ngayon, no? Ma-clear ang skies natin at sinasamantala po natin ang pagkakataon to observe the sky. Like ito yung buwan, and hopefully later we will take a picture of Jupiter. Alright, so we can see more craters unlike yesterday kasi thin crescent kahapon. Pero ngayon medyo the moon is more illuminated. Okay, and we can see craters, and may mga dark patches. So yung mga dark patches na yan are lunar plains. So ang tawag dyan po ay mares or Marias. The word mare or Maria comes from the Latin word which means seas or dagat. Kasi yung mga sinaunang astronomers, yung sinaunang sailors, they thought na yung mga dark areas na yan were bodies of water, no? Kaya pinangalan niya na Mare or Maria, which means seas or dagat. Yung mga bright areas po ng buwan are lunar highlands and impact craters. Alright, yan, ang ganda-ganda ng ating kalawak ngayon. Sana manatili yan bukas tong weekend. Yan, hanggang June 21 sana. Kasi June 21, that's summer solstice. And Father's Day din. Sana pagbigyan tayo ni Lord na clear skies itong weekend. Alright, mga ka-sky watchers, so siguro we can increase the magnification so that we can see more details of the lunar surface. Alright, here we go. Ayan mga ka-sky watchers, no, we can see more details. Ayan, kitang-kita yung mga craters na yan. No? Fantastic! Wow! Ayan, galawin natin. Para tayo nakasakay sa spaceship. Alright, mga ka-sky watchers. Ayan, comment po kayo kung anong masasabi niyo po sa ating magnify the image of the moon. Alright. Oo nga, nahihiwagaan ako dito. Hindi ako nagsasawa, mga ka-sky watchers. Ayan. Yan yung dulo na yan, mga bundok yan, mga ka-sky watchers. Let's increase further the magnification. Sige. Wow. Wow, I am so speechless, mga ka-sky watchers. Yan, ang linaw. Ang ganda ng telescope na ginagamit ko. So this is a Meade reflecting telescope. Alright, so the mirror has a diameter of 114 mm. By the way, pag sinabi po nating reflecting telescope, the telescope uses mirrors to collect the light from the moon and produces the magnified image. Ayan po, no? Unlike yung refractor, yung ginamit ko kahapon, yung refractor naman uses lenses. Fantastico, mga ka-sky watchers. Wow. Ito ang ganda, oh. Alright mga ka-sky watchers, so please comment down below kung ano yung masasabi sa ating lunar imaging ngayong gabi. And again, sa mga katututok lang, today is June 18, it's a Thursday evening, siguro magse-7 na rin ng gabi. Yan, and our telescope is pointed at the waxing crescent moon. Yan, dito sa part na to, daming craters. Wow, fantastic. Ito, nahihiwagaan ako sa crater na to. Let's magnify some more. Oh boy! Wow! Ayan, mga ka-sky watchers, ang ganda ng ating magnified image of the waxing crescent moon. Oh yeah! Alright. Ito, ang ganda. Ganda ng mga lunar features. Saka linaw na itong telescope na to. Wow. Will you look at those craters? Wow, fantastic. Ito din. Ito, bundok to eh. Wow. Yan. Okay mga ka-Skywatchers, mag-comment naman po kayo. Alright. Yan, ito bundok ito eh. Yan. Yan, mga matataas na bundok yan, yung mga yan. Kala nyo hiwalay, pero ano yan, mga matataas na bundok na iilawan po ng araw. Alright. So there. Fantastic. Ito din, tong crater na to. Parang may bundok doon sa gitna. No? Galing. Yan, imagine niyo para tayo nakasakay sa spaceship sa Apollo spaceship. And imagine that we are orbiting the moon. Galing, no? Yan, ito bundok to eh. Ayan, no? Tapos may patag sa gitna. Wow. Fantastic! Grabe. Wow. Sige, balik na natin yung buwan. Alright. Alright mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers, so there you have it. That's our waxing crescent moon. Today is June 18, 2026. Ayan, so sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating lunar imaging ngayong gabi. Ayan, no? And bago pa tayo magtapos sa ating vlog, again, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook and TikTok, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. And paki-like and share naman po itong video na ito, no, para makarating sa maraming tao, lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante, no, para makita naman nila ang ganda ng ating buwan ngayong gabi. Alright, so siguro hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. This is your Skywatcher and Ka-Spacer, Sir Jun Cahigal, saying live long and prosper. And don't forget to always keep your space and always keep looking up. Samantalahin natin po habang hindi pa umuulan. Okay, bye-bye po. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye.